Okay, so let's see what Danny's up to. Yo, Danny. Who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? Danny's a big boy. He's a big hungry boy. Come here, Danny. Don't give me a oh, that's my finger, Danny. Oh, Danny don't like my finger. So that's Danny, the big tilapia. He's happy and he's dappy. Here's how the system's doing. He's not had a big update. Daddy's just come home. Hello, Daddy. Daddy is angry after traffic. Okay, so you guys haven't been seeing a bunch of this. It's had some replanting. We had some nice lettuces going, and they're doing okay. We had some strawberries going. They're doing okay. We had some kale going. That's doing okay as well. There was another kale over there, and that just got eaten by pests. So we gotten rid of that. We got some nice Thai basil going. Mummy's got some more flower bulbs going. So some of the there's another kale right there. Some more onions and all still doing okay for chives. We put in some mint and that's doing really happy. I think these are some cauliflowers that Mummy's put in. Those are new. But what's really exciting, and you guys totally missed it because I wasn't here. So what's really exciting is that this onion hasn't gotten any bigger. But what happened to it was that the stalk got bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're seeing the final form. And this is the onion flower right here, and that's pretty cool. What's especially cool about it was the first thing that formed on top of it was like another little onion, and then that came apart and lots of other little onion shaped things came out of that, and then now all of those little onion shaped things have bloomed into this flower. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And there's some parsley going over there, I think, along with the happier lettuce, and that's about how the plants in the system are doing. So still pretty good, especially considering that I was just out of town for 3 weeks and there was nobody there to take care of it, but it still kept on trucking because it's beautifully balanced. We got the big goldies now. For those of you who've been around for a while, they got a lot bigger, man, especially that golden guy right there. They're getting multiple feedings a day now, so they're nice and happy and expecting it. And of course we've got some of our some of the pest spray percolating in there, getting happy, and woohoo, that smells bad. Anyhow, that's Mummy right there. Mummy took care of it while I was gone. Hi, Mummy. And this is how it's looking. Oh, and I almost forgot, by the way, remember how it was the papaya tree wasn't giving papayas? Look at them papayas, man. There's at least 4 of them on that I can see. It's counting the big one over there, little one, and then a quite a little ones behind it. So that's a really nice surprise to get on my way back from the